It is my pleasure, my honor to present to you an incredible SUV that really is Denali at its very, very best. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new next generation GMC Yukon Denali. All new from the ground up, this stunning new Yukon is the embodiment of the GMC brand. Bold, capable, a commanding presence which conveys a confident, high-tech expression. But the biggest news is on the inside. Exclusive color and material themes are layered with handcrafted details that include open-pore wood, custom decorative stitching, Denali-exclusive leathers, plus materials, grains, textures, premium accent piping, and much, much more. The console, situated between the driver and the front passenger, can slide back up to 10 inches to give the driver access to a large open space that's perfect for a purse or a bag. Rear passengers will also enjoy the addition of dual 12.6-inch high-definition screens on the seat backs. A true first-class experience from all.
As an engineer, it's an exciting opportunity when we get to develop a vehicle from the ground up. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2021 Yukon XL Denali. Denali comes standard with our 6.2-liter V8, which produces best-in-class 420 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. At the heart of the Yukon's enhanced dynamics, there's an all-new active four-wheel response system. It seamlessly sends optimal torque to each wheel to improve traction, whether the road is clear or slick. Our segment-first Air Ride adaptive suspension adjusts ride height at all four corners up to 4 inches. In driver-controlled modes, we offer 2 inches of travel from the default settings down to a loading mode and 2 inches travel upward for additional ground clearance when off-roading. The second all-new feature is a high-definition surround vision system, which also greatly enhances driver visibility and confidence. The 9 camera views offered by this system are the most in the segment. There's even an available rear camera mirror that provides a wider field of vision and removes obstructions like passengers, gear, or window pillars. Another cutting-edge feature available is the class-leading 15-inch head-up display.
This week, we showed you a first-ever Canyon AT4, but we're not done yet. So today, I'm excited to announce the first-ever Yukon AT4. The next generation GMC Yukon AT4 is an SUV that epitomizes premium off-road. Its unique front fascia not only visually conveys a rugged all-terrain look, but it's also very functional thanks to a greater approach angle and the AT4 signature red tow hooks. This is only the beginning of what we plan to share with you this year. There will be a lot more GMC news to come in 2020, so stay tuned.